How to deposit in okfx. Log into your okfx account using your credentials. Look for the Deposit or Deposit Funds option found in the main menu. Select the BFIC deposit method. Scan the QR code and deposit the amount you wish to deposit from your wallet. How to buy and withdraw BFIC from L-Bank. Log in to your L-Bank account. Make sure that you have enough USDT in your account wallet to buy Beefycoin. Go to homepage and type BFIC in search box. Select BFIC USDT pair. Now tap on BUY button. Specify the amount of coin you want to buy. For instance, type 10 BFIC. Your order has been placed successfully. Now go to Wallet section. Go to BFIC Asset page. Tap on Withdraw. Select Network as BFIC. Carefully paste the okfx wallet address. Enter the amount of BFIC you wish to withdraw. Tap on Withdraw. The app will show you the actual amount of BFIC you will be receiving after transaction fee. Review all the details and press Confirm button. Enter the OTP sent to your registered email address and tap on Confirm again. You have successfully withdrawn BFIC. Enter the transaction hash for verification and submit the request. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your deposit request has been successful. Confirm that your account balance reflects the deposited amount. Trade smarter, trade okfx.